Yeah, I'm Brandon Newman. We live in Highland, Utah. Yeah, so we decided many years ago, going back about 4 years, to move forward with Millhaven. We were very impressed with how close they get with homeowners and putting an entire home build process together. Couldn't be more excited with everybody that participated in helping us land in what we feel like is an award-winning exterior home, which we did. It was one of those things that we did ultimately win at Parade Homes Exterior, and it felt like that came together because many people participated in the vision and execution of what we had. When we first spoke to our builder about wanting some sunshade, we're east-facing, which means the backside's going to get a ton of sun, and we wanted some flexibility over shade when we're in this livable space. And so looking at the cost and what that would take to get 2 main screens in, we realized it's not just a simple little add it in, some of the materials and look that we were seeing from other vendors we just didn't love. I wanted an elevated, highly protected space. Quality being top notch was something that I stumbled upon, and at the end of the day, when we saw the cost associated with Suncoast at the level that we were getting, all of a sudden for the same price of 2 main screens, I was able to get 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screens. Before we knew it, it took me about a day working with all of you to realize, let's protect the whole thing. Not even a dream come true, because I hadn't even dreamt it. It became a dream once we realized it was possible. Everyone at Suncoast was incredibly helpful to say, hey, what do you want? What do you want to accomplish? And then come up with ways to solve the problem. And so normally working with a builder and a contractor is typically how we would engage with most vendors. This was a little bit more hands-on, and it gave us what we felt like was a highly customized approach. Favorite feature of the screens, I was surprised at how streamlined they are, how they look like they belong here, that it's just an extension of the area, not just something slapped on. I can hit one button, they're all done 5 seconds later, and I've got an entire outdoor. So let's say I've got a storm coming, which has happened a number of times, and I wanted to protect all this very expensive furniture. Saw it rolling in, rated for high winds, hit them all down, protected the entire patio area. It was done in just seconds. Afterwards, I see water just gushing everywhere outside, and we're completely dry inside. That was a big surprise that we would have something that kind of quality in a product. And then beyond that, just the overall level of trim and how it looks is not just typical residential. It's high-end commercial look and feel at a cost point that residentials absolutely can get in and leverage that sort of product. So come